beautiful damsels of Mabila, I greet you. You all know why we are here. We are here on a rescue mission to save Mabila from the bitter curse our grand and great-grandmother placed on her. Our grand and great-grandmother are no longer alive to break this curse, but we are here in the spirit of love and reconciliation. In addition, this period of sanctification shall try to reverse this path of evil so that the evil shall pay the ultimate price and the innocent shall not die. Get it straight. This battle is not my battle. It is your battle. I, Tyran, am only your torchlight and your spiritual guard. Remember, the battle shall not be fought with knives or gun. It is the purity of our spirits. The 7 days of this purification and meditation shall prepare we all for this great battle. And we shall have the hearts of children. A heart so innocent. A heart that knows no bitterness, deceit. A heart that harbors love. And only love shall be our weapon. Lastly, we shall eat nothing for the first 3 days of the 7 days. Wipe your hearts away from any evil and rebuild it with a positive spirit. Remember, the forces we seek shall try to stop us. But damsels, be brave and steadfast. Any of you who is afraid or skeptical should leave now, and a replacement shall be made. You. 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 And you. Now, I welcome you all to the great battle.
More than I was.
I don't even know what is happening.
In my own village.
Are you strangers in this village?
You seem not to be afraid of me like others.
I understand exactly what you're going through, my friends. I know it's due to no fault of yours, but I believe that the damsels of Mandela will rescue you, as well as the rest of us all, my friends.
I can see you have a very strong faith in me.
Be calm, damsels. The enemy visits. Do not be distracted. Do not move an inch from a position, no matter what happens. Get deeply soaked in your meditation and simply ask forgiveness of the sins of the past. Do not look into the eyes of the beast. I repeat, do not look into the eyes of the beast. Go after the evil and let the innocent live.
How dare you question my authorities?
We are your grand and great granddaughters, the new generation of the innocent land. Let the sins of the father not be visited on their innocent children. We ask for forgiveness, and if we fail to get it, we shall fight. For the sake of the good people of Mambila, we shall fight a good fight of faith.
I'll kill all of you!
Somebody's faith wavered, and that was why we were attacked. Remember, a mind that bears no evil needs no fear. Fear weakens the spirit, and doubt wipes away faith. How can you fight evil if you don't have strong spirit and unwavering faith? Oh, I am so disappointed!
Will the goddess of the river rebuke us when we're still learning?
I was the offender. My doubts created the crack. Please forgive me. Please. Please, I'm so sorry.
It's why we're sorry. Please, the Holy One. Please. Do not be angry with us. We are rough on homes.
Go back to your meditations now.
I have arranged for seven rescue
Akaraka, what are you doing?
damsel. 7 rescue damsel. You people, by the time they finish with that idiot that you call beast, the idiot, the beast will no longer find a place in this village.
Yes, but Okwefuni Haija Amaka will put him to know what he don't know. Or Cambo down. So tomorrow he will learn his lesson.
Yes, yes.
Because how about you?
We are saying something reasonable.
What do you mean? Stop that. You don't know me.
Okay. Okay.
When I want to talk sense, I talk sense.
Okay.
So me man you know, and is one thing you must know. People never make a car what they don't know anything. Marco, you know you are the next strongest chief after Akata. What is the arrangement with him? How we put him for us after he crowned a chief, a king? What benefit do we have in concrete terms? I want to know because power corrupts. What I mean that he has to sign some documents for us, a kind of agreement.
Imanasana Obidiao. God. Me do me. I get what they call sign ara akwụkwọ. Ewata. Manomero. What shall we be demanding from Akata? Is it a part of the present king's vast land, or is it the juicy position in the cabinet office? Huh? Omera, you are not talking. You are not talking. Omera.
Mbere wa job. Mbere wa job. Ajo mo. Mbere wa ajo. Odeshi.
If that idiot that calls himself beast comes on your way, tell that beast that Akirika is escorting you home. If he thinks that he is that powerful,
Akirika, wait for us so that
you should come and challenge me.
Akirika,
Julie, return. Return. I'm even sweating. Where is the road? I'm even sweating. Return. Before you do that thing that is in your mind, I have one important message for you. I am so disappointed in you. Do you understand? If you drink me, I give you poison in your tummy, in your stomach. If you eat my flesh, if you want malaria and typhoid will be your portion. Shut up! If you think I cannot do anything to you, you won't die if you eat my flesh. Bro, bet. I said bet. Beast, you're afraid. Beast, stop barking like a dog. Maybe I should go and bring your brothers, Bingo and Jimmy, to come and follow you. Chonta, idiot. By the time I go and assemble other dogs, they will come and meet you in the bush so that you people can go chonta. Make sure you get me a nice nchi.
Drink that water! Nobody should take anything or touch anything until I say so. Move! Walkity! Walkity!
As a wine, Miracle, your granddaughter is here as instructed, with the 7 down cells, cleansed and sanctified. Arise and talk to your children.
I am the granddaughter of Omali, Mambila woman of honor.
Irema honors the queen of the river. I'm the granddaughter of Ajiono Akalugo.
Aluma greets her holiness. I am the granddaughter of Odinuju, Omalicha Mambila.
I am a Juturu, the granddaughter of Olama, Ugebe Mambila, Sabuti.
Zanita greets, the great goddess of Kiramo River. I am the great-granddaughter of Obinale, Mambila vase of truth.
Kaira greets the fearless defender of the weak.
I'm the granddaughter of Orasli, the Mambila jewel of beauty.
My respect to the greatest woman of valor. Adema, the great-granddaughter of Udun Neoma Siri Mambila.
Extend your hands. Who has defied this group? There is an unwanted person here. Remma, you hide a secret before the gods of the land?
I was an adopted granddaughter of Adjono Akalugo Mambila. I never knew I would be rejected.
Ezenwai, the great woman of valor, I am sorry for that mistake. Forgive us. We shall make amends.
I forgive your ignorance, Irema, but this mission has failed. Return with a true blood relation of Ajono in 2 days. I forget this mission.
None of us can leave the camp in search of the replacement wise one.
I shall lead the search. Return to the camp and do not look back. Okuchalagwa.
I say who say vala, who say
cannot wait for the outcome of the battle between the damsels and the evil spirits. I cannot wait. If the damsels win, it means I'm finished. I must have to speed up the process of removing the king from the throne. That's it.
Are you alright? What is happening?
I had to trace your house from the bush path. The beast is everywhere and after us.
How?
Umera is dead. He was taken as he walked along with Mako. Mako is found on dead. No.
What?
On his own
Excuse me. You say, take it easy. You say what? That Omera is dead.
Omera is dead.
Taken as he was walking with
Mako. Mako is dead. He is found on his own pool of blood. Right inside his parlor. With his charms in his hand.
Egwe?
Yes.
The one that's happening now?
You know what that means? Mpere's charm is not working again. Yes.
Chivakiga, this is very, very serious. It means we have to go for very stronger charms now. Because me, Akata, I don't rely only on Mpere. Hey, Atakata Abusadikam. Now, you know what you do? Go to Abangudele in Oboro Forest. Tell him I sent you.
You will not tell me there.
As you can see now, look at all that are around me now. So many things to do. At least, in fact, right, I want to fasten the process of removing the king from the throne. As a matter of fact, nothing is important to me now than occupying the exalted throne of Mambila. So go, nothing is going to happen to you. Oh? Akiga, go now.
It's only a tree that hears that it will be killed and the stays put. I must leave to the town until the evil wind blows by. Akata can take his throne and the entire Mambila. He knows only where his strength comes from. I don't know. Hey! Hey, bo. Sarah Patagualamo. Sarah Patagualamo.
Youth leader. Madam. Yes. As the youth leader and woman leader, I want you to incite the young men and women in this kingdom. Incite them into action. Eh? Kill if you want. Burn down the king's palace. If the palace is burned down, he will tell me whether he will rule from the bush. Are you hearing me? As soon as I hear and I see mayhem going all over the place, I will step in. Look. That's right.
Jiakata, all that for just this little money. We need to convince a lot of youths and women. Can't you understand? And I, nukwazo, bata nukunko.
Youth leader, I'm not worried about giving more money. I want to let you know that I've invested so much in this project, and I'm prepared to still invest more, provided success is achieved. Am I clear? Wait, I don't have anything to worry about. It is you people that have something to worry about. Because if you don't give me results, look at me. If you disappoint me, I will kill you with Agmejiko Buchau Nile. I'm a proper, I make juju. Do you understand me?
Nah, you have nothing to worry about.
Take this. Go and get it. See. Destroy every opposition. Am I clear?
You have nothing to worry about now.
It is only when you don't give me results that you have something to worry about. Oh.
You have nothing to worry about.
That reminds me. You know that foolish boy that runs his mouth, say what, gunpowder or what? That runs his mouth all over the place, calling somebody like me and other people evil men. If he stands on your road, no. Put him in the main list.
You have nothing to worry about now. No problem.
No problem now.
Just count it down.
And then you have, I'll make you kings, yeah?
Again.
Organize the women immediately, of course.
Jim, you are a fool. Do you want to die? What has the king, the chief priestess, and the damsels done wrong? Tell me, is the beast not just a possessing spirit that is using the prince? Moreover, did you not hear Akerika? The beast is after the evil man. And if we do as Akata wants, we will join the evil people. Don't you understand?
Should I return the money?
What? Africa will not. Why do you have? Why will you have to return the money that was given to you by a man you know is going to very soon is going to die? And you want to return this money to him? I have come to inherit. I have come to collect my own share of that money. Akata, or whatever you call his name, cannot do anything. Why will you advise me? I have to shout, and because I am not afraid of any. Agrika is not afraid of anybody in this village. Do you understand? Let us. Hey! How did you put that hand from? I cannot change. The other way around. Is testing somehow. Where did you bring this hand from? No, look. Africa is still insisting that let Let us share this money.
Please, don't tell anybody this thing. No. You know you talk anyhow.
Hey! Who is talking? Hold on. I can use you for to tie rope firewood. Who are you to advise Africa? Okay, you say you open your mouth and say I talk too much. In this village, have I ever opened my mouth and tell you how I meet with my girlfriend? Have I? Now listen, share this money. Share this money now. Let's have it. Do you understand?
I hope so.
Look, let me tell you, if you are doubting Africa for any reason, I don't even know Christian mother or which category or hidden mother. I don't know the category you belong. But any category you belong, let me tell you, if you are afraid, you people can give me all of this money. Let me eat it. Travel and go out of this.
Come.
Shut up! Don't control me. Don't tell me what. You can travel out of this kingdom. Go to Panya, Kavanchan, anywhere you feel like you want to go. Stay that place until it's either you hear that Africa, the Okwezioku, the prophet, died of the money he ate.
Be quiet now.
I was not being over you.
Please don't tell anybody.
It's either shut up. You don't have to talk when I'm talking. It's either Africa, you see, die of the money he ate from Akata, or that Akata, the evil man that you people know, died of his evil ways. I'm telling you people now, you people you are going your own way. You don't want to listen to what Africa is saying. By the time it will happen, everybody will now say Africa said it. But anyhow, this money is going to solve a very big problem. I don't even know which Pawan joint is going to suffer this thing this night. Is it the Pawan of... oh, okay.
Yes. I think I have to stay here and wait for the result of the riot these youth boys are going to cause. Omo Akata. Akata is bagugo. Anu kankampi. Anu anagbo na atanri. Akata is bagugo. Nyekere photo. Njajamli na-egwu ogwe. Come on. My name for yes. Now that I'm going to be the Igwe, my next name should be Akata 1. Yes. Akata. The Akata Sibagugo 1 of Mambila. Yes. Akata. King Akata. The Akata Sibagugo 1 of Mambila. Onye siye magugo. Apanyeze. Akata kanyama gubalomba.
I can't continue with this fasting again. What is it? Is it my fault that Iheme adulterated that group? Is it? What is it?
Now, wow. Me. I am tired. I didn't bargain for this. What has entered you girls? You all must be possessed to sound so faithless. Come, where are your faith?
Huh? Senzaneka. What's wrong with one voicing her displeasure? Besides, I was not told that this mission would be this risky.
Activist Kyra, you had the opportunity to back out. Why didn't you take it then?
Ne, Kusia there. You have no right to question our decision.
Tara, what are you feeling like? What do you eat this morning?
Girl, you think you appreciate.
What's your problem? Do you have a problem?
How has the mighty fallen? I left you all for a special meditation upstairs for just a day. And you all have turned into something else. Why do you allow evil thoughts to occupy your minds? Yes. How else will I explain this doubt and fear? Instead of dissolving yourself in deep meditation, you allow silly issues to corrupt your minds. If you think you're going to back out of this mission, you're lying. Because we all here are bound by an oath. And you better straighten up if you want to survive this mission. I'm not pleading with any of you. If you like, kill yourself. Fight! But as for me, Tyran, my faith and obedience will see me through. Nonsense. You all need cleansing. Cleansing one by one. You. Need cleansing from head to toe.
I present to you the granddaughter of Ajonu Akalugo of Mambila. She is a true daughter of the land. Take your box. Sit down. Open it. Bring out your book and your sword. Miri, the hope of the people of Mambila, I salute you. Oh. Receive your weapons of warfare. With the book,
say your wishes. That is your greatest weapon.
We wish that the monster go back to where it belongs. Now!
You are the 7 books of wisdom and your box. Open it and see what is inside. Give me a seat. You all be alert.
My daughters, you are all welcome. The books before you, to your greatest surprise, contains few lines of wisdom and virtues. The rest of the pages are blank. There, you shall write down all the revelations as they come. And this shall be source of reference to all Mambila king and citizens when this battle is over. With it, the war shall be won. And wisdom shall pervade the land. Tyrion, the box is special. It has a summary of all greatest of all virtues. You must all abide by these words of wisdom if you must break the evil, my children. There are 4 sets of attire for each of you, for every mission.
If you exhaust the 4 attires within the 4 missions without destroying the evil, my children, consider the entire mission a failure. Run out of Mambila if you must stay alive. If you succeed, so be it. Finally, these daggers are your protective shield from the darts of the enemy. And those books are your veritable weapons of war in times of emergency. According to the revelation, Tira shall give you the rules for every mission. Tira, this golden dagger is sacred and must be kept by you for life. It must always be with you during each of your mission. Thank you. I wish you all the best.
What's wrong? You look completely worn out.
All is not well. The kingdom is under the siege of an evil spirit in form of a beast.
Oh, what?
The bad news is that the prince, your fiancé, is the beast.
Oh, Erica! 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 Erica!
Your Highness! Your Highness! Your Highness!
Erica!
Your Highness!
Stop!
Some juice.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right. It's okay.
Mom, what am I hearing, Your Majesty? Why was I kept in the dark for so long? Where's my fiancé?
You see, he has been roaming the streets as I speak, killing at will. That is the problem we're facing.
So you heard already. My kingdom is under a very serious spiritual battle. But I know that my prince, Jazim, will certainly overcome.
Yes.
Believe me, my daughter Erica. Meanwhile, how is my friend, your father, King Boma?
He's fine. It's fine, Your Majesty. Oh my God. No wonder his phones were not connected. What will my father say if he hears this?
No. You don't even need to tell him about this. All this will be over very soon.
Meanwhile, I urge you to remain indoors, close to Akura at all times. I shall instruct my guards to escort you to Mabila boundary first thing tomorrow morning. As we speak, my kingdom is not safe for a visiting princess.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay, alright? It's be fine. Just if you can, okay?
Before you are the 7 major books of wisdom. Open it and read it one after the other.
The Great Book of Wisdom 1. Speak no evil, think no evil, and see no evil. For if you do this, evil will never find your inner soul comfortable for its habitation.
Let it be printed in our hearts. Great Book of Wisdom 2. False accusation destroys an innocent soul. It is as bad as murder. Always find the good side of people. Do not be a fault finder. No mortal is perfect.
Let it be printed in our hearts.
Great Book of Wisdom 3. Patience and tolerance are the greatest weapon to evil. With them, you will be far away from evil. Greed and avarice shall not know you. Nothing shall mean more to you except goodwill. Let it be printed in our hearts.
Book of Wisdom 4. Cheat not your neighbor. Neither take what is not yours without permission. Covetousness kills the spirit faster than any other.
Let it be printed in our hearts.
Book of Wisdom 5.
Everything is made for consumption. Nothing is to be consumed in excess. Moderation is the key to good health and life.
Let it be printed in our hearts.
Book of Wisdom 6. adultery, fornication, and all sorts of sexual abuses, eat down the spirit and leave her victim empty. A little wind carried them away. Sanctity gives some blood.
Let it be printed in our hearts. Book of Wisdom 7.
Lies are the simplest of all. It is the foundation of all evil. Truth is life. Stand by it.
Let it be printed in our hearts.
The unity of the 7 books of wisdom. Love conquers all. Love does not lie, cheat, steal, or accuse falsely. Love does not breed greed or wickedness. Love does not sin.
As for the golden rule, my children, do unto others as you would want them do unto you. What you reap is what you sow. No sin shall go unpunished. Print it right inside your heart. Then you shall conquer all your battle against the evil.
Let it be printed in our hearts.
T-Man! Take charge and use whatever you have to defend yourself!
Defend yourselves! Use your book as a defense! Avoid any eye contact! By the power of the 7 book of wisdom, in unity of the 7 books, I command you to go back to where you belong! Now!
Let's go! Go!
We must be strong. This is our last search. We will soon be gone.
You must rouse yourselves. You must call up that which is buried deep in your spirits. Your power. The power of fire, water and earth. The power of righteous but angry women.
Receive the power of fire, water and earth, from the dark side of the river of truth. Let the light of truth diminish you.
this was here. This is getting more frightening. Shut up! Shut up! That's the fear you been told to beat always! Can't you see? Can't you see the evil spirit is trying to plant fear in us? Adima, you failed us. Because of lack of patience and greed. You ate the evil fruit and you brought disaster upon us!
I'm sorry. It will not happen again.
You all should go inside and change. Come outside and put all this in order. And get back to business.
You know, I am sick and tired of this Tyrann is carrying about. It's getting too much. She's just carrying herself as if she's some kind of goddess. We all are important in this mission, you know. You and I know that on a very good day, Tyrann cannot stand up to me. She cannot. Come to think of it, she's a mere spiritual guard picked up from some supermarket. Aluma, so what is going on in your mind?
Okay.
I am suggesting we choose a more humble leader.
What? You think she was appointed by mortals? What did you learn from the 7 books of wisdom when you still harbor this kind of mischief in your mind? Aluma, you better wipe it away before it destroys you. We are set for our second mission, and we pray that it will be our last. Do not defy this group, Aluma. Aluma, I advise you to go and pray for sanctification of your corrupt mind before it destroys you. And while you do that, pick up the 7 book of wisdom and go through it thoroughly. Aluma.
This whole story sounds crazy. How my own prince turned into a beast.
to each sound my hearing. It seems to be coming from outside. Should I call prison? No. I need to find out what is going on, because this whole thing is getting worse. I need to find out myself.
What are you looking at?
Father, I can't find Erica anywhere.
Meaning what?
She's not. No, you can't find her.
Oh, we told her not to go out.
Father, I don't know. What's going, Father? Father, what are we going to tell our father now?
What are you going to do?
Erica, are you okay?
We warned her never to leave the palace.
It's okay, right? Bring her in. Quick. Bring her in, okay?
Hey, right.
And call the doctor immediately.
You gotta take her. Bring her inside.
Take it easy. Will she leave the room?
Speak no evil, think no evil, and say no evil. For if you do this, evil will never find your inner soul comfortable for its habitation.
Let it be printed in our hearts.
Book of Wisdom 2. False accusation destroys an innocent soul. It is as bad as murder. Always find the good sides of people. Do not be a fault finder. No mortal is perfect.
Let it be printed in our hearts.
Book of Wisdom 3. Patience and tolerance are the greatest weapon to evil. With them, you shall be far away from evil. Greed and avarice will not know you. Nothing shall mean more to you except goodwill.
Let it be printed in our hearts.
Book of Wisdom 4.
Cheat not your neighbor, neither take what is not yours without permission. Covetousness kills faster than any other thing.
Let it be printed in our hearts.
Book of Wisdom 5. Everything made is for consumption. Nothing is to be consumed in excess. Moderation is a key to good health and life.
Let it be printed in our hearts.
Book of Wisdom 6. Adultery, fornication, and all sorts of sexual abuses eat down the spirit and leave her victim empty. A little wind carried them away. Sanctity gives sound life.
Let it be printed in our hearts.
The unity of the 7 books of wisdom. Love conquers all. Love does not steal, cheat, lie, or accuse falsely. Love does not breed greed or wickedness. Love does not sin.
Let it be printed in our hearts.
Daughters of Mambila are here today to evoke the spirits of the 7 dead women who took their own lives after the twins were killed. I conjure your spirits so that the curse upon Mambila may be lifted.
Daughter of Mambila, O Mali, woman of honor, I summon your spirit to appear now.
Ajuanu, the Akalugo of Mambila, I invoke your spirit. Appear.
My grandmother Olama, Ugebewai, answer your granddaughter.
Udunne, Wanyoma, I conjure your spirit to appear now.
Obinali, Naumam, the voice of truth, I summon your spirit to appear.
Orasili, the Mambila jewel of beauty, rise and answer your granddaughter.
No, Dinuju, Omalicha Mambila, I invoke your spirit. Appear!
Your daughters are gathered. We need your presence.
You betray us. Why?
If I did it, it is for forgiveness and for reconciliation. Judge me well, my fellow women.
But this will not be easy. The pain is everlasting.
But we are innocent. Our generation wants peace and reconciliation, and not fight and war.
I command you to shut up. The combined spirits of these women and their twins make up the spirits of the beasts, and the curse will never be lifted.
With the power of the 7 books of wisdom, we declare it null and void.
Aloma's spirit was weakened. It rises. The weakened spot was your doing. We must replace her immediately. Time is no longer on our side. By full moon, the beast power will be multiplied tenfold. The task shall be almost impossible.
Ooh.
Why are the phones of this youth leader and woman leader permanently switched off? By now I'm supposed to get news of the riot they have started in town. Or does it mean that these people have betrayed me? Taking my money to betray me? No. I think I better go to my frontage and see any passerby that will give me an idea of what is happening right now. No, no. Never. No, ma. Don't and ma. Wait, I'm coming. It is not. It is. I don't want to. Please, I don't want to be. You are the kid. You are the land. I want to.
Here is Nani, the replacements for Aloma. The parents of the dead have refused to release another family member, but for the executive request of the king. Please, be very careful. Anu.
Use your third eye, which is the book. Light and darkness has no relationship. I destroy you with this power of the 7 books of wisdom and virtue. Use your third eye.
It's okay. Stand.
Suffering and trying only for one person to take us back to square one.
I'm tired.
Square one.
I'm so tired of all this. I will go.
Enough. Enough of all this. We cannot afford to quarrel. We can never win with fighting.
My faith has gone. I'm tired. Not going again. No. This wish won't kill. See, look. See, it's going to kill us. I'm tired. I don't have any faith again. I'm faithless. So sure, Mona borrow me faith. No, no. It's not fair. It's not fair.
Father! Father! Mother!
Kura, what is it? Marina! Yes, what is it?
Your Majesty, the third mission failed. But we're only lucky that there wasn't any cause for replacement.
And the good news is that Akata and his co-conspirators are all dead.
Thank God. What about Erica?
Erica, she's still in her strange trance and all that, but the doctor is trying his best. Father, is it not wise we tell King Boma about all this?
No, not yet. If he calls, okay? Oh, no, I'll think of what to do.
Well, the spiritual warfare is still going on. I will not forget the customs and the traditions of Mambila. Once the crown and the offer has been retrieved from your highness, it is mandatory that 7 days after that, if the reason for the retrieval is not being addressed, then I have to throw the throne open to the entire citizens of Mambila to choose a new king. Today is the 7th day, and by noon tomorrow I shall take the crown and the offer and place it at the town hall for the entire citizens of Mambila. to choose for themselves a new king. I bear no grudge against my king. But this is a tradition and the laws of the land of Mambila. And my duty is to carry it out to the later. And if my king needs my help before tomorrow, let him speak. Because tomorrow, I shall be taking instructions and orders from a new king. Ije. Ona. Ije. Ona.
I have to fight the beast. I have to fight the beast to get back my brother. Someone have to stand up to him, mother. Someone have to stand up to him. I cannot stay here and watch my father, the king, lose his throne and also lose the prince. I will fight. I will fight.
She's a daughter of Mambila.
I don't give a damn anymore. I'm gonna go back here.
It will be a shame for a king of Mambila to sit back in his palace and watch his daughter, the princess, fight his battle. No! No! Mambila kings are known to be warriors. I shall fight my battle! Waniga!
Your Majesty!
Dress me for battle.
No! No, Your
Get
Majesty.
me my gun!
If you go, I will go.
No, my queen.
I cannot watch my family perish. No.
And I shall not watch my son and my daughter die and lose my throne as well. No, I will not. No, I will not.
No, Your Majesty, no.
I will not.
Oh, Titi! Jesse! Stop! Stop!
You! Son! I'm sorry. I have to do this.
Stop it! Your Highness! You must realize that this war is not of guns and spears and arrows. This is spiritual. Stop it!
Peace we asked for. Peace you rejected. Forgiveness we asked for. We chose war instead. Unleashing death is nobody's birthright. We can kill as well, but our motive is different. In unity, with purity, and the powers of righteousness, we bind you in the spirit.
Mambila be our judge this minute. Let the spirits of our dead ancestors be our judge. Judge between love and hate, forgiveness and hard-heartedness, virtues and vices. Gods of Mambila, be our judge today. Be our judge this minute. Let the goddess of Kiramo River judge between peace and war. By the positive power in me, and the power of themselves, and the power of Kiramo River, the river of truth.
see, Your Highness, the God of our land is wise.
Zakunta, what is it you want again?
Your Highness, I have come to return your crown and your fall.
Father, why do you insist on seeing us over there?
Yeah, because I want to ensure the safety of my son and my daughter.
Really? Thank you, Father.
You like it? Oh, never mind. Very soon yours will go right.
Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father.
Yes, good.
Igwe, Igwe, you don't have to go anywhere now. Igwe, because I have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
Yes, Igwe, I have a surprise for you. Igwe, look, I have, I have come to tell you that I have found a wife.
You found a wife? Yes. So why didn't you bring the wife?
Igwe, actually, my wife lives in this royal family.
My household. I hope you're not referring to my mother.
Hey, Igwe, am I mad? How can I take our only Lolo? Igwe, look, let me tell you, my wife is standing over there.
Which one of them? Medina. Okay, that means you'll be sneaking around my household all this while. Is that what you'll be doing?
It's not, it is,
Just, Medina, come here. Come. Well, sometimes I'm a man of my words.
I trust you.
I remember I did promise you. I will sponsor or marry her to you. Medina, you heard what Akika said. Akika has found favor where you are. Do you consent to what he said? To marry him?
Yes, Your Highness.
This is,
it's okay. So, it's all right. What we do? We go to your husband.
You are too much. Come. You are too much. God bless you. You have always known you as in one of his words. Thank you, man. God bless you.
It's all right.
Your Highness.
Oh.
A man has ever been bigger than the God of our land. And you can never be wiser than the God of our land. The gods insist that you must carry out your duty, which is serving the people of Mambila. Your Highness, you must carry on and finish your duty as a king of Mambila Kingdom.
The gods have visited you. Igwe, you're too much. Igwe, you are not doing this by... In fact, Igwe, congratulations.
I say, who will save our life? Who will save our life?
My king.
Yes?
There is a box on the road.
A box?
Yes, my king.
Stop, Jesse! Son, be careful.
Stop! Father!
Take it easy, son.
Father, it is empty. Waninga, get this box out of the room.
My king, these are the 7 books of wisdom. It contains great tests that will guide the citizens of Mambila and lead us for life. These tests are inspiration from the gods to these damsels. Mine contains the unity of the 7 books of wisdom. Your Majesty, keep this book for the people of Mambila and generations unborn. In obedience to this content, it will help the people of Mambila against any evil. Your Majesty, we discovered that this book are for the people of Mambila.
the box out of the room.
Some